So someone asked me the other day, why do you keep pushing Copilot Studio and why would you use that as your tool to build agents when there's so many better options? Well, it doesn't really matter what the options are out there. What matters is the data. And that's what so many of you seem to not understand. Like N8N is great, no one's going to use it. Right? Data is the king. All machine learning models are built from data. Let me say that again. All machine learning models are built from data. Data, for an organization, data is their most prized possession. They are far more worried about securing that data than they are about creating an agent with that data. So right now, there are three players in the cloud space. One of those is AWS. Number two is Azure, and that's Microsoft. This is Amazon. Ammo. This is MSFT. Number three is Google. These are the big three, right? Google, GCP is their cloud. That's what it's called. No one else is close. Number one, right now by a narrow margin, is AWS. It won't be for long. Within another vertical, CIOs have been screaming for years about something called data centrality, right? CIOs want their data, for whatever reason, in one location. Well, this company, Microsoft, within Azure, created something called Fabric. Guess what Fabric does? Data centrality. The data is all in one place. Right now, if we look at the top Fortune 500 companies, 70%, and actually this has gone up, it's actually higher, are already using Fabric. So you tell me, looking at this, what tool you would use. Well, there is only one tool. It's the tool that comes with the ecosystem where your data is. And there are a bunch of tools that you can use, but by far the best one is Copilot Studio right now. So when someone says, "Hey, can you tell me about this or what you think about that?" I don't have to. It's a silly conversation. Is Copilot Studio the best agent tool? No, not at all. It doesn't matter. What matters is data governance. The security of that data is all that counts. In the very near future, Microsoft is going to overtake AWS. So I haven't chosen Copilot Studio because I'm in love with the interface or because I actually come from a Microsoft background. I've chosen it because they are now, Microsoft and Fabric are now the data kings. 70% of Fortune 500 companies, let's say 70 to 90%, are going to be using Fabric, and that means they're going to be using Copilot Studio. And that means that's where the jobs are going to be.